I'm learning. This is great.
Yes, co-sign all of that. I think as this last cycle emerged, 2020, we raised historic numbers. We really had really strong programs. But then in 2022, some of our traditional tactics weren't working the same way. And a lot of new ones emerged. So thinking about that, what tools and technologies made the most difference during this last cycle?
We can talk network theory all day. But I also have to give the caveat, I'm going to name drop a few tools that I thought were really cool and I saw used really successfully, but not endorsements. One of the tools we were working with state parties and down ballot candidates on was similar to Greenfly, but it's called Soapbox. It's a little more grassrootsy, but it allows you to post questions, prompts, share them with your community, and collect videos. And then it will help you quickly brand them, add captions. Some of that, videography, having video production is usually one of the most expensive aspects of digital. And so really, really helps lower the barrier on those costs because you can spin up videos really quick and have them crowdsourced and they're authentic because they're from your supporters, your voters, your constituents. We also saw some state parties use a really cool tool called Rept. It's a 24/7 virtual town hall. So your constituents, your voters can submit questions and then the candidate themselves can answer them. It lives in perpetuity on a little video dashboard for you. So it kind of can save your comms team, your digital team, some time from not having to reiterate that or answer that same question over and over. And again, video, right? Short, snappy, quick videos that are authentic, that feel good, that are direct, and have a clear call to action, right? That's where we're at. And then we also saw some really cool organizing on things like Twitch and Discord, especially like lots of young groups, really cool groups that are responding to issues every day. Like we're working to partner with a group called Transl Culture. So you know how the right likes to say we're so quick to cancel everybody. They're turning that right back at them and saying when you're attacking us, when you're attacking our queer community and our trans community, we're going to cancel you. And so really cool organizing digitally online in that space. And so that's kind of some of the really cool stuff I saw.